most of us, using a computer is effortless. We type, we talk, we scroll. But for millions of people across the world with motor impairments, that simple interaction isn't practically reliable or even possible. Voice assistants help, but they're limited, and traditional accessibility features oftentimes don't work or assume some sort of physical control. That's why we built Atlas, to change that. Atlas is an always-on desktop assistant that lets you operate a computer and using intentional jaw clenches and head gestures, all possible through the Muse wearable. Not a webcam, not face tracking, not even eye tracking. And real, reliable neural interface that doesn't frustrate the user and only takes 5 minutes to set up. That means someone who can't reliably use a keyboard or mouse or any other sort of accessibility peripheral can still write emails, manage complex tasks, and operate a computer the same way you and I would. So let me show you the future of assistive tech at Atlas. Thank you.
Hey Atlas, explain what you can do.
I am a desktop assistant. I can help you with many tasks on your computer.
But how do you help people with limited motor control?
I can help by controlling your computer with voice commands, which reduces the need for manual input. I can also automate tasks to make things easier.
That's amazing. What are some examples of things you could do?
I can do things like open applications, type documents, navigate websites, and manage your files, all through voice commands. For example, I can open a web browser and go to a specific website for you, or open a word processor and start a new document.
Could you go to YouTube and look up videos about brain control interfaces?
Okay, I will go to YouTube and search for videos about brain-computer interfaces. I've started the task to search for videos about brain-computer interfaces on YouTube.
Atlas runs in a plan, act, verify loop. A supervising model continuously checks alignment, task scope, and risk before allowing the next action. Do you think you could look up some information on brain control interfaces and then get back to me with 2 facts?
Okay, let me check that. Here are 2 interesting facts. 1. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, can translate brain signals into commands for external devices, potentially restoring movement and communication for people with paralysis. 2. BCIs have shown promise in allowing individuals to control prosthetic limbs, computer cursors, and even speak through a synthesizer, using only their thoughts.
What makes Atlas powerful isn't that it automates tasks or makes them easier. It's that it restores control. It turns small, intentional signals into real planning, executing, and adapting, so that Atlas learns alongside its user. And for someone who can't reliably use a keyboard or mouse or other expensive accessibility interface, that's not convenience, that's independence. Technology shouldn't just be smart, it should be accessible and usable by everyone, period. One gesture to stop, one gesture to start, and a computer that works for you. That's Atlas.